Una nating topic mga kaibigan. Kibuloy did not surrender his surface because PNP is closing in. Yan ang sabi ni Marcos. Ito yung article ng Inquirer.net. For President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., SEC leader Apollo Kibuloy did not surrender to the government but was forced to surface because the PNP or Philippine National Police was getting closer to his hideout. So, hindi po nagkusan loob si Kibuloy, okay? So sa mga nagsasabi na nagkusan loob po siya, pasalamatan natin siya dahil sumuko na siya. Hindi po siya kusan loob. May kapalit. Yun yung sinasabi ni Marcos dito. Marcos' remark followed the public clamor on the real circumstances of Kibuloy's capture, whether the pastor surrendered or not. So marami kasing haka-haka kung sumurrender ba, hindi, sumuko, nahuli o kung ano man yan. So sinabi ni Marcos na sumuko dahil may gagawing, dahil malapit na sa hideout ang PNP. Yun yung sinabi ni Marcos. Ito ang sabi ni Marcos sa isang statement, sa isang tanong, sa isang interview. Ito sabi niya, I think that's a legal question, pero ganito ang iniisip ko eh. Hindi siya lilitaw kung hindi namin hinabol ng gusto. So yun ang sabi niya. According to Marcos, for it to be tagged as a surrender, the wanted individual must first have gone before a police station. So dapat sa police station siya nag-surrender para surrender ang tag niya. The wanted individual must first have gone before a police station, a prosecutor, or any official authority to state that they are surrendering. So, sa otoridad dapat siya sumuko. Nang walang hinihinging kapalit, suko agad, ganon. So, sabi ni Marcos, hindi ganyan yung nangyari. Ang nangyari, napilitan siyang lumabas kasi malapit na ang pulis sa kanya. Yun ang sabi niya, okay? And actually, di naman nalalayo yung sinabi ni Marcos sa sinabi ng PNP. Na napanood ko kagabi pero nakalimutan ko yung full Basta yun. Marcos further noted that Kibuloy presented himself to authorities to just stop his supporters who threatened to take their own lives for him. Ha, yun. Wow! Si Lord Kibuloy pala to eh. Ba't ay palakpak? Kaya sumurrender dahil daw may magpapakamatay para sa kanya. Ito sabi ni Marcos, to his credit, he was still displaying a modicum of leadership to his followers. Yun ang sabi niya, okay? Sabi ni Marcos, Kibuloy was captured on Sunday, September 8, ending a 16-day search mounted by the PNP beginning on August 24 within the Kingdom of Jesus Christ compound in Davao City. The SEC leader and his subordinates are facing child abuse and human trafficking cases before Davao City and Pasig City courts respectively. So, may mga kaso itong tinataguan kaya nagtatago. Yan ang nagiging problema, nagtatago siya, mga kaibigan. He also has several criminal charges in the United States. On January 31, 2022, the U.S. Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, published a wanted poster seeking information leading to Kibuloy's arrest for conspiracy to engage in sex trafficking by force, fraud and coercion, and sex trafficking of children, sex trafficking by force, fraud and coercion, conspiracy, bulk cash, smuggling. So, ayun, may smuggle pa, no? Diyos ko naman. Ikaw na nga ang pinaka... Kaya mo namang i-stop ka mo yan, di ba? Pag sinabi ko, Lindol stop. Pag sinabi kong PNP stop. Eh, ano nangyari? Ikaw yung nag-stop. So, yun ang ating article. Maiksi lang. So, akala kasi nila, sumuko ng kusa talaga. Pero may kapalit daw pala. Pero, Pacquiao Abalos. Kasi sinasabi mo na hinahuli. Diyos ko naman. Credit grabber, ha? Sira ulo ka. Ano masasabi niyo sa pagkahuli kay Kibuloy? Comment down below.